Today it is a continuation of exercise 6.3. Now question number 9. Already we have completed 8 problems. Question number 9, exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, question number 9. Find the point on the curve. We are given curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, at which the tangent is, we are given the tangent y equal to x minus 11. Say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now differentiating equation 1, we have dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 11, and differentiating the second equation, equation 2, we have dy by dx equal to 1. That means the slope of tangent is 1. That is slope of tangent m equal to 1. Now we have slope of curve equal to slope of tangent at the point of contact. So in order to find the point of contact, we need to solve these two. That means 3x square minus 11 equal to 1, or 3x square equal to 12 and x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. Now when x equal to 2, we have y equal to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5, that is 8 minus 22 plus 5 equal to 13 minus 22 equal to minus 9. Therefore one of the point is 2 comma minus 9, and when x equal to minus 2, we have y equal to minus 2 the whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5, that is equal to minus 8 plus 22 plus 5 equal to minus 8 plus 27 equal to 19. Hence the another point is minus 2 comma 19. We have 2 points. We need to find which point satisfies the equation. That is, they are already given the tangent y equal to x minus 11. So we need to find which point is applicable for the tangent. Now we have slope m equal to 1 fixed for the point first 2 comma minus 9 with the slope 1. We have the equation of tangent is y minus y naught equal to minus 9, that is plus 9 equal to tangent is 1 into m minus x minus x naught, that is x minus 2, that is y plus 9 equal to x minus 2, or x minus y minus 11 equal to 0, and which is also y equal to x minus 11. And for the second point, minus 2 comma 19, the equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus 1, that is x plus 2, that is y minus 19 equal to x plus 2, or y equal to x plus 21. So this equation not satisfying with the given equation. They told you the equation of tangent is y equal to x minus 11. So this is a point, that is 2 comma minus 1 minus 9 is the only point applicable for this condition. Therefore the required point is 2 comma minus 9. Thank you. Find the equation of all lines having slope equal to 1. That means given m equal to -1 that are tangents to the curve. We are given a curve that is y equal to 1 by x minus 1 such that x is not equal to 1. Okay. Find the equation of all lines. Now, given the curve is y equal to 1 by minus x minus 1. So, differentiating the curve, we have dy by dx equal to 1 by something means you know already this is minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. Now, which is equal to m, say. Since the slope is already given, we have minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 1, which means x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1, or x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. Now, x minus 1 equal to 1 means x equal to 2. X minus 1 equal to minus 1 means x equal to 0. There are 2 points for x we are derived. Now, substituting those points in the equation, we have x equal to 2 gives y equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to 1. And the point received derived here is 2 comma 1. And when x equal to 0, we have y equal to 1 by 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So, we have 0 comma minus 1 is another point of contact. Now, the equations of, we know that equation of tangent with slope and point is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Here there are 2 points. Taking first point, case 1, in this when x naught comma y naught equal to 2 comma 1 and the slope is already given, that is m equal to minus 1. Now, y minus 2 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 2. In this case, y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 2. Now, bringing all this here, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is one of such a equation of tangent. Now, next let us substitute another point. Case 2, y minus y1. y1 here is minus 1, so it is plus 1. y plus 1 equal to m minus 1 into x minus 0. That is y plus 1 equal to minus x, or x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, which is a recurrent equation. Therefore, the equations of all tangents are x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, let us verify the question number 11. See, in the question number 11, find the equations of all lines having slope. Now, it can be easily solved by you the same method given in the 10th. So, you are given the slope m equal to 2 and given another equation y equal to 1 by x minus 3. Instead of 1 by x minus 1, they given 1 by x minus 3. So, using the same method, you can solve this problem. So, 11th is your homework. Let me go to the question number 12. The 12 is also of same type, I think. So, find the equations of all lines having slope 0, m equal to 0, which are the tangents to the curve. The curve is given, so you can easily differentiate and you can solve this using the same method. So, 11 and 12 are homework. Now, let me solve the question number 13. In this 13, you are given, find the points on the curve. You are given an ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. And there are 2 conditions at which the tangents are, first one is parallel to x axis. Parallel to, the tangent is parallel to x axis. This is the first condition. So, based on this we can find. Now, say the given equation as, take the given equation as 1. For the simple differentiation, let me rewrite the equation as 16x square plus 9y square equal to 144. Now differentiating, that is 16 into 2x plus 9 into 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Now divide by 2, we have 16x plus 9y into dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 16x by 9y. Say this is equal to m. Now for the tangent which is parallel to x axis, means the slope is 0. Since the tangent is parallel to x axis, we have m equal to 0. In such a way, minus 16x by 9y equal to 0, which gives minus 16x equal to 0 or x equal to 0. Now when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, we have substitute in the first equation, y square by 16 equal to 1 and y square equal to 16, y equal to plus or minus 4. In this case, the required point is 0 comma plus or minus 4. Now let us take the second case. If the tangent is parallel to y axis, if the tangent is parallel to y axis, means the same differentiation, that is the differentiation is common for both the case and the slope only varies. So m is not defined, that means you can take as 1 by 0. That means minus 16x by 9y equal to 1 by 0. Now 9y, the denominator is 0. So y equal to 0. So substituting in 1, substitute in question number 1, we have x square by 9 equal to 1 and x square equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. In this case, the required point is plus or minus 3 comma 0. One thing here you have to note that, sir, why putting 1 by 0? Even 10 by 0, 100 by 0, anything by 0 is infinity. But just listen here. When the tangent is parallel to y axis, means, so the angle theta equal to 90 degree. Tan 90 equal to sin 90 by cos 90. So sin 90 is 1 divided by cos 90 equal to 0. Therefore, I taken m is equal to 1 by 0. So please take this now. Thank you. Now question number 14. There are 5 cases. Let me do first one and fifth one. First one. Find the equations of tangent are normal to the given curves at indicated points. That means you are given a curve, equation of curve y equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. In this case, what we have to do? So first we know that the equation of any tangent is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. M is the slope. by differentiating the curve and substituting the point. Already we have told m is nothing but dy by dx at x naught comma y naught. This is the slope of tangent. Now so the point is x naught comma y naught is given point. Now find the slope at the point and substitute the point, take the point 0 comma 5 as x naught comma y naught. Substituting these three values we can obtain the equation of tangent, and minus 1 by m is the slope of normal. So in the same equation, instead of m, substituting minus 1 by m, we will get the equation of normal. So you can easily solve by this method 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is given as parametric form. So let me solve that problem. Fifth one. Now y equal to sin t and y equal to sin t and x equal to cos t at t equal to pi by 4. T equal to pi by 4. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is equal to dy by dt, sin t becomes cos t and dx by dt is minus sin t, and dy by dx at t equal to minus pi by 4, which is equal to minus tan t, and at x equal to t equal to pi by 4 we have dy by dx, that is at t equal to pi by 4, which means m equal to minus tan pi by 4, which is equal to minus 1. So m equal to minus 1, and the points are now x naught equal to cos pi by 4, because generally x equal to cos t and you are given that t equal to pi by 4. So at t equal to pi by 4 only x gets x naught. So x naught equal to cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2, and similarly y naught equal to sin pi by 4, which is also 1 by root 2. So these two values. Now the equation of tangent, the equation of tangent is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Let us substitute these values. Y minus 1 by root 2 equal to, what is m? Minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. Y minus 1 by root 2 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. That is y minus 1 by root 2 equal to minus x plus 1 by root 2. So bringing everything here is minus x, x is plus x plus y, minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. That is x plus y minus 2 by root 2 equal to 0, or x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now for the equation of normal, you have to substitute the minus 1 by m. Now equation of normal. First, slope of normal equal to minus 1 by m. So we have m equal to minus 1, therefore minus 1 by m equal to 1. Now equation of normal is y minus y naught 1 by root 2 equal to 1 into x minus x naught 1 by root 2. That is y minus 1 by root 2 equal to x minus 1 by root 2. The same sign in the different sides cancel, therefore y equal to x, which is the required normal equation. Happening. Listen here. Find the equation of tangent to the curve, tangent line to the curve y equal to, we are given y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line. The first one is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Consider a curve whose tangent is parallel to another given line. If the two lines are parallel, their corresponding angles are equal and slopes are equal. So we can take slope from this equation of line and differentiate this first equation. So consider this as first equation, this is second equation. Now differentiating equation number 1, we have dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2, and differentiating the second equation we have 2 minus dy by dx equal to 0 or dy by dx equal to 2. So equating these two, that means 2x minus 2 equal to 2. So 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2, and substituting in the equation 1. So substitute in equation 1, we have y equal to 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 7. So y equal to 7. Hence x naught comma y naught equal to 2 comma 7. Now substituting x naught y naught under the dy by dx slope, here we have found the slope m is also 2. Substituting these values in the equation of tangent, that is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught, you will get the answer. Next, question number 15, B subdivision. Find the equation of the tangent to the line of the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, and the tangent is perpendicular to the line. The tangent is perpendicular to the line 5x 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Now consider the first equation, this is second equation. Now differentiating the curve, we have dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2, and differentiating the second equation, we have differentiating the first equation and differentiating the second equation, we have 5 into dy by dx minus 15 equal to 0, which gives dy by dx equal to 3. Now the required tangent is perpendicular to the line, therefore the slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by slope of given line. Therefore we have m equal to minus 1 by 3, and we need to equate now the dy by dx, that is slope of tangent. Here we find the slope. So in order to find the point of contact, we have to equate these two, that is 2x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3. That means 6x minus 6 equal to minus 1, or 6x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 by 6. Now substituting x equal to 5 by 6 in the equation 1, that is substituting in 1, we have y equal to 217 divided by 36. So substituting these 2 points in the equation, that is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught, that is y minus 217 divided by 36 equal to m minus 1 by 3 into x minus 5 by 6. So this is a required equation, but we need to simplify it. The simplification you only have to do. So after simplification, the final answer will be 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. This will be the final answer. So simplify it and check with this answer. Now question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11. Let us solve this question. 16. Now question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. That means this given is a curve. We are given 2 points. We have to show that the tangents at these 2 points are parallel. That means the slopes of the tangents at these points are equal. If 2 lines are parallel, then their corresponding slopes are equal. Now differentiating the curve. Differentiating the curve, we have dy by dx equal to 21x square. Now let m1 be the slope at the first point, that is at x equal to 2. Therefore m1 equal to dy by dx at x equal to 2. We have 7 into 21 into x square means 2 square, that is equal to 21 into 4, that is equal to 84. And let m2 be the slope at the second point, that is dy by dx at x equal to minus 2, which is 21 into minus 2 the whole square, which is also 21 into 4, which is equal to 84. So from these we have m1 equal to m2, that is slope at the point first point is equal to slope at the second point. If these two slopes are equal, then the tangents at these 2 points to the curve are parallel. Now question number 17. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube. Question number 17. Given y equal to x cube, at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. That means slope and y coordinate are equal. Already one time I told you this type of curve y equal to x cube is a cubical parabola. Now differentiating, we have dy by dx equal to 3x square. This is the slope of the curve. The slope of the curve is equal to the y coordinate. That means 3x square equal to y, where y equal to x cube. That means 3x square equal to x cube, which gives x cube minus 3x square equal to 0. Taking x square as common, x square into x minus 3 equal to 0. Now either x equal to 0 twice or x equal to 3. When x equal to 0, we have y is also 0. Therefore one of such points is 0 comma 0. When x equal to 3, we have y equal to 27. Therefore the another point is 3 comma 27. Therefore the required points are 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 27. Y equal to 4x cube, y equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5, 2x power 5. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Consider the curve. This is an illustrative example, so don't think the corresponding curve like this. So it is a sample curve. Now the tangent we are drawing which passes through the origin. We need to find the possible points of contact. Now differentiating the equation. Now differentiating the equation, dy by dx equal to 12x square minus 10x power 4. Let x naught comma y naught be the point of contact of tangent and curve, point of contact. Therefore dy by dx at x naught comma y naught will be equal to 12 x naught square minus 10 x naught power 4. This is equal to m. Now equation of tangent. The equation of tangent is always y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. That is y minus y naught we have to find. So y minus y naught, we have m. So m equal to 12 x naught square minus 10 x naught power 4 into x minus x naught. Since the tangent passes through the origin, the tangent is given, the tangent is passing through the origin, we have x comma y equal to 0 comma 0. So substituting above we have minus y naught equal to 12 into x naught whole square minus 10 into x naught whole power 4 minus x naught. Now at the point of contact, that is at the point of contact, the curve becomes y naught equal to 4 x naught cube minus 2 x naught whole power 5. So solving these two equations, this is also the equation of tangent, say this is 1. This is the equation of curve at the point of contact, say this is 2. So to find x naught and y naught, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, we have here minus y naught. So y naught equal to, this is x naught into 12 x naught square minus 10 x naught power 4. Therefore 4 x naught whole power 3 minus 2 x naught power 5 equal to x naught into 12 x naught power 2 minus 10 x naught power 4. Now 4 x naught cube minus 2 x naught power 5 equal to 12 x naught power 3 minus 10 x naught power 5. So bringing all to the one side, this is 8 x naught power 5 minus 8 x naught power 3 equal to 0. So taking out 8 now taking out 8 x naught power 3, we have 8 x naught power 3 into x naught power 2 minus 1 equal to 0. This gives either x naught equal to 0 thrice or x naught power 2 equal to 1, and we have x naught equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore we have 3 points, either x naught equal to 0 or minus 1 or plus 1. When x naught equal to 0, we have y naught equal to, that is 4 0, that is y naught equal to 0. When x naught equal to plus 1, we have y naught equal to, plus 1 means 4 minus 2 equal to 2, and when x naught equal to minus 1, we have y naught equal to minus 1 means minus 4, and again here minus 1 means plus 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore, the required points are 0, 0 or 1, 2 or minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. These three are the required points. Now the question number 19. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which the tangents are parallel to x axis. The same way you can use solve this problem. So I am giving you 19 as a homework. Now question number 20. Find the equation of the normal at the point, that is they are given the point x naught comma y naught equal to am square comma am cube, am square comma am cube. Now the curve is ay square equal to x cube. We are asked to derive the equation to the normal. Now say this is the equation of the curve given. Differentiating the above curve, we have 2ay into dy by dx equal to 3x square. That means dy by dx equal to 3x square divided by 2ay. Now dy by dx at the point of contact, that is am square comma am cube equal to 3 into, instead of x square, this is a square m power 4 divided by 2a into y. Y means a m cube. Now a into a square, it is cancelled. M cube, we can cancel 1m, 3 m's. Therefore, it is 3m divided by 2. So which is a slope of tangent. Now slope of normal slope of normal equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent. I didn't use the symbol m because here there is an m, so it may lead you to confuse, which is equal to minus 2 by 3m. So this is the slope of normal. Now equation of normal. Now equation of normal. Y minus y naught equal to minus 1 by m into, that is 1 by slope of tangent into x minus x naught, that is y minus y naught equal to a m power 3 equal to minus 2 by 3m into x minus a m square. Now bring the 3m here. So 3m into y minus a m power 3 equal to minus 2 into x minus a m square, that is 3m y minus 3 a m power 4 equal to minus 2x plus 2 a m square. Now bring the 2x here and this one. Now 3my, now 2x plus 3my equal to 2am square plus 3am power 4, or 2x plus 3my equal to am square into 2 plus 3m square. So this is the required answer. Number 22. Question number 22. Find the equations of tangent on normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So it is the equation given at the point at square comma 2at, at at square comma 2at. So the points are given in the parametric form. Now differentiating the equation, we have 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a, or dy by dx equal to 4a by 2y, which is equal to 2a by y. Now we have given the point. Now dy by dx at the point at square comma 2at, we have 2a divided by 2at, 2a to a cancel, that is equal to 1 by t. Now m equal to 1 by t. The equation of tangent, equation of tangent is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So y minus y naught is 2at equal to m is 1 by t into x minus at square, that is yt minus 2at square equal to x minus at square, or yt minus x equal to 2at square minus at square, or yt minus x equal to at square. We can write like this also, yt minus x minus at square equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. Now for the equation of normal, first to find slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by m, that is equal to minus t, and using this slope of normal as well as these points, you can write the equation of normal. So it is homework. The partially you solve this problem. 23. Prove that the curves x equal to y square, x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. Now say this is the equation number 1 and 2. Substitute. In order to find the point of contacts, we need to solve these two equations. Therefore substituting 1 in 2, substituting 1 in second equation, that means instead of x equal to y square, we can replace that is y square. So y cube equal to k and y equal to k power 1 by 3. Now substituting the value of in the first equation, we have x equal to y square means k power 2 by 3. Hence x naught, the point of contact x naught, y naught equal to k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3. Now differentiating the first equation, we have 1 equal to 2y into dy by dx, that means dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. Now dy by dx at the point of contact, that is k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3, we have the dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into k power 1 by 3. This is m1, that is slope of the tangent to the first curve. Now differentiating second equation, we have x into dy by dx plus y equal to 0, or dy by dx equal to minus y by x at the point of contact, that is dy by dx at k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3, we have this is equal to minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3. Say this is m2. Since these two curves intersect at right angles, we have m1 into m2, that is product of their slopes equal to minus 1, where m1 is we have 1 by 2 power k 2 into k power 1 by 3 into m2 minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. Removing minus on both sides we have, and also we can eliminate k power 1 by 3 and numerator k power 1 by 3. We have 1 by 2 into k power 2 by 3 equal to 1, which gives 2 power k power 2 into k power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Now raise power 3 on both sides, 3 on both sides. So 2 power 3 equal to 8. Raising the power 3, k power 2 by 3, the denominator power numerator power gets cancelled, which is equal to k square equal to 1 power 3 equal to 1. So we have 8k square equal to 1. In this condition the curves intersect at right angles. Now I expect you to solve the remaining problems, that is 24 to 27. Those are all very easy. So in the problem number 24, find the equations of tangent and normal. You are given the parabola hyperbola equation given at the point of contact x naught y naught. You can easily solve that. And also 25th problem also, they asked you to find the equation of tangent only and parallel to the line. So that means the slope of the line equal to slope of the tangent. Equating, we have done one problem previously of the same concept, and the MCQ problems 26 and 27 also very easy. So the problems 24, 25, 26, 27 are homework. Thank you very much. Meet again.